Welcome to the EZS Coin Cleaner Review Show. It's important to use these nylon gloves dealing with the solution. I also have those silver tongs for picking up these silver coins with. I'll put it in the solution. After I put in the solution, I will then put it in this soapy water. This is with dish soap and then running water after that. 19 assorted silver rounds and coins will be used. These coins are dirty, they are tarnished, and we will see how well this works out and also how well it stands the test of time over the upcoming weeks and months. After I'm done washing them and rinsing them, I'll put it on this towel for drying. The first step is opening up the jar. Make sure to have these gloves on because, again, you're dealing with the sulfur that it's better that you have them on. Opening the jar can be quite a challenge as well because you open it, yeah, some of it comes off, and it's hard to open it up when you got gloves on, and I sure as heck am not opening it up without the gloves on. My solution will be to use a butter knife instead. For at least it's going to be able to break this off. After all, my fingers within these gloves were not going to be able to do it, which means we are now moments away from starting the coin cleaning process. It's a very blue solution. I'm going to zoom in on it here now so you can see it a little bit better, but there you go, all blue. Now we can start cleaning the coins, and the first one will be that of a generic silver round that is very dirty. So we'll see how well we can improve this. We'll start by turning the water on. First step is putting it into the solution. 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds. Just hold it in there and let it do its thing. But don't put it in for that long. When you're done, you rinse it in soapy water. This is dish soap that I'm using with warm water. And after that, I'm going to rinse it with regular warm water again, tap water. And it looks a lot better right now. You can see that the shine on it is there, a lot better than it was before. So now we can put it onto the towel and then just use a little bit of force to dry it off. And the first coin is now completed. So now we can do a second one, which is also a generic silver round, very tarnished, and we'll see how well this one works. As far as numismatic coins are concerned, you're going to hear everyone state, do not use these or any coin cleaner with numismatic, and I agree to a point. However, if I happen to have had a numismatic in really bad condition, I would, but it would have to be in really bad condition. This tarnish is gone. The condition of the coin is much better. The shakiness, I'm sorry for that, but it's the best that I can do. So we'll once again dry this coin off and then get a third one. The third one again will be a generic silver round, and there's this dark spot as you can see in the corner of that. So I'd like to see if it can get rid of it. Again, the same step, you put it in for 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds. This becomes fairly repetitive, but it's very easy at the same time, which is what I like about it. As far as the name EZS or EZS Coin Cleaner, you can still see the black mark is still there. What you can do is put it in again. You can put it in 10 times at 7 seconds a piece, but you don't want to put it in for 70 seconds all at once. So I'm going to do this one more time, and I can still see that black stain, but for now I'm just going to dry this off. I have decided to do this video in the bathroom. It's much better. I got a fan in here, I can put the window open, and I'd rather use this in a bathroom than I would in that of a kitchen. I have washed all but 2 of the other coins, thus I have skipped ahead, and I have saved the 2 coins I'm most interested about for the end. This silver maple leaf is very tarnished. So therefore we'll see how a few seconds in the cleaner and the whole combination is going to do. Bye-bye tarnish, you're practically gone. Give it its rinse within the soap and of course under the running water. Much nicer looking coin. Now dry this off and only one more to go. And this final coin that I'll be doing is very dirty. I'm probably the most dirtiest bullion coin that I have. Again, when I skipped ahead, I didn't want to put that in the skip section, but there's the back of it and there's the front. A lot of those black lines that are on it. So therefore, we'll see what we can get out of it. Do it just like all the other ones. We're putting it in for 5, 6, 7 seconds and rinsing it with the soap. And you can see here, it's cleaner. Still a very dirty coin. We'll put it in for a second time and see if any improvement will come along. And the verdict, well, I can see dirt on there. Again, better, but not the greatest. So we'll do a third time. Maybe a fourth, maybe even a fifth, if need be. And it does look as if this one is not going to make it, as far as getting clean, that is. Therefore, I'll do one more after this if it doesn't work, and I'll try them later on, because what I'm going to do with this video is see how they see how they stand the test of time. And maybe again in a month, I'll put this through the cleaner once again. I'll display, maybe in a couple weeks, I'll show how these coins have reacted. This will be the final time that I'll put this coin in the solution. It's only cleaning, of course, so much. The results, I would not give it an A, I would not give it a C. Overall, my satisfaction rate is somewhere around a B+. I have noticed that these coins are much more shinier than they were before, and that does add more value when you are looking to trade it. That Maple Leaf I can now probably get an extra $1 for. So we're done now cleaning these coins. We'll now put this away, and I can take the gloves off, and we'll wash up and take a look to see how these coins manage. So we've got some soft soap here. Always good to wash your hands after you're done this. And when you do put the solution away, make sure you put it away in an area that is safe. No, children can't get at it. It's not going to get spilt onto something that you don't want it to get spilt on. Be smart. Put it pretty high on one of the cupboards, maybe with some other cleaners that you have. Okay, let's take a look at these coins now. And you can see that that trade unit coin, lots of scratches still on it. But overall, coins are in good shape. You can see that they're not the greatest in some of them. But again, higher improvements from where they were before. And I want to see again how this works over a little while. We'll bring this, I'll look at these coins again in a couple of weeks and determine how well this is. So we're going to stack the coins now, and this way we can see how I stacked them before. We'll probably, they're not as dirty on the sides. You can actually see more white color, which is really nice. And for storage for these coins, I'm going to be putting them in a tube for bullion, and this way they will be getting very little air, and see how this works out. So thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.